Hi, thank you for visiting the Data Science course, which is a part of computingforall.com. In this course, I include easy-to-understand materials covering topics from data mining and machine learning. I try to explain the algorithms and the mathematics behind the algorithms in such a way that the resources do not overwhelm the learners. At the same time, I make sure that each lecture contains core content to build a data science foundation. I'm still creating content and adding them to this curriculum. Of course, the course is free of any cost. All the videos in this course are public and uploaded on YouTube. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to receive notifications directly from YouTube when we publish any new video. Register to computingforall.com to start the course right today. Enjoy! I hope to see you in the lessons of this data science course. Thank you.